Ocean Day is celebrated on July 28th across the world in order to increase awareness about protecting nature and conserving our natural resources. Nature includes animals too. Hello friends, this is a fantastic planet. A variety of birds and animals live here. Do you like animals? I love them. Well, all animals are wonderful creatures of God. They are as important as human beings. Unfortunately, they cannot express their feelings. Thus, individuals should not take advantage of this fact. Today, myself, Cherayu, and my friend Ian Sai from grade 1 are here to talk about marine conservation. Marine conservation means protecting and preservation of oceans and animals living on it. We would like to share some interesting information about a few aquatic animals. The animals which I found really fascinating are dolphins, blue whales, and seahorses. Dolphins are usually large in size and can be found in different colors like white, grey, and black. They have a very smooth body line and fins that they move like hands. Recently, while watching a show on the Discovery Channel, I got to know that they are the most intelligent living creatures. They are very friendly to humans. In fact, they have developed a language as communicate with each other. The blue whale. The blue whale is the largest known creature to ever inhabit the planet. Whales can hold their breath for at least 20 minutes. A whale's blowhole does not shoot seawater. It's actually a mix of bacteria and hot air. Seahorses. Seahorses are found all over the world. The mighty seahorse is named after a little fish with a horse head and a caterpillar body. This little creature is favorite of